Hello once again, you're welcome to Befe Show. Thank you so much for joining me, Kina Befe, today. We are on the cooking series and today I'll be preparing what we call Banga soup. Banga soup in Nigeria is related to Delta State, okay? They prepare Banga soup, but today almost every part of Nigeria enjoy eating Banga soup because of its delicious taste. I'm telling you. No much talking, okay? Today is not about talking. Let's just move straight into the ingredients I'll be using today. For this recipe, I'll be making use of goat meat and chicken. And I also have my meat stock right inside. You can use any meat or fish of your choice. It all depends on you. The next ingredient is our periwinkles. I've used the pium periwinkle. So I've cut it, washed it thoroughly, and then I soaked it in this water. You can equally use the one that they've removed already. The next is my fish. You can use any dried fish of your choice. So I'm using salmon for this recipe. And then another important ingredient is our prawns. For this prawn, I've removed the back, I've removed the tail, I've done same with the head, and then set aside. I'll be using that's the head and the back later. I'll show you. The next ingredient is awele, also known as pomo. Yeah, you can chop it to any size that you wish. The next is a scotch bonnet pepper. For this recipe, I'll be making use of red scotch bonnet peppers. This is my prawns. I mentioned earlier, yeah, this is the head and the back. I'll be blending this with iru, okay, and then this is my banga stick. Yeah, let's move to the next ingredient. This is beletete, yeah, also known as atama leaf. I'll be using my cube to taste and then my salt to taste. So now let's go into the cooking process. The star of this dish is our banga. This is my banga boiling. This is what banga looks like, okay? So what you basically do is that you wash your banga, boil it for about 15 minutes, smash it, and then sieve out the juice, okay? Add water and sieve it out, and then you pour it in your pot and start boiling, just as mine is doing already. So in this pot there is nothing at all. This is just the palm nuts boiling. So the first thing I'll be adding is my meat or any fish of your choice. I'm just being careful. Yeah, and I'm adding the stock also. Okay. The next is pomo, also known as wili. What goes in next is periwinkle. This soup is a very fast and easy soup. The only work here is to extract the palm nuts. Here's the quantity of nut cube I'm adding. Yes, so you can see that our soup is boiling and it's thickening up, right? Yeah, so I'm adding my grinded brown head and iru. The next thing that will be going in is our fish. And then I'll be adding a banga stick. I'll just add only one to it. I will not stir too much because of the fish. I wouldn't want the fish to scatter. Yeah. Adding our prawns. Our soup is almost ready. Almost ready. We're just going to allow this to marinate. You have to taste again. So I'm adding my salt to taste. So cover this again to simmer for another 5 minutes. Yes, you can see that the soup is boiling. Yeah, so I'm adding my chopped pepper. Why I'm adding it now is because I don't want it to lose or get missing in the soup. I want to see that particles of red Yeah. Then the last is our atama or beletete. Okay. Yeah. I think I should add a little more. Our soup is done. Our soup is okay. We just allow this to simmer for another 2 minutes and our banga soup is ready. Wow, our soup is ready. Look at this beauty. It's thick, the flavor. Oh God, this is beautiful. This is why I like Nigerian soup. Blockage, hindrances, hold up. Can you see that? Yes, our soup is ready. So now let's go prepare our eba and go into business. This is my hot water. So I'm going to add the gari. Yeah, this is the way I make my gari. You can see that there is excess water on top. So what I'll do now is that I'll filter it. I'll filter out the excess water in order to remove the chaff and all those things you wouldn't want to feel in your gari. See, it's soft. Yeah, so our gari is ready. Now let's go into the eating time. Okay, I'm now coming to eat. You know, I've been working for so long. I have to help myself, isn't it? Come and join me if you don't mind. So now that you know how to prepare banga soup, you can go prepare it for your family and friends. And note that the excess oil that will be settling on top, you can scoop it out to use for another recipe. So enjoy your meal. Thank you so much for watching Befe Show. I really appreciate. Hit the subscribe button so that you get notified on my next video, and leave your comments down on what you think about banga soup, or if you should recreate this recipe. Please tell me what you think about it. Thank you for watching. Until next